Hi, I'm Candice and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing the Lush Snow Fairy Bath Bomb inspired makeup look. So I don't know if you've seen the bath bombs in Lush, but the new ones are white and pink with a bit of blue on, so I've popped some blue here and some white glitter because Snow Fairy is my favourite festive thing. So today I use the Watch the Queen Conquer palette from Plouise and the Stack 'em Up palette from Plouise. So if this is something that you're interested in watching today, please continue watching, and as always don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Thank you. So I've primed my eyes and I'm going to go in with my first shade from the Plouise Conquer the Queen palette, which is Fun and Games, which is that one there. So taking a fluffy brush, and I'm going to start off at the outer edge of my eye, and then I'm just going to bring that all the way into my crease. And as you can see already, that's nice and pigmented. So keep dipping back into your pan and keep going across. And you just want to stop about there, which is where my eyebrow is starting. So once you've got that on, you're going to go in with a nice large fluffy brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Champion, which is the pale pink shade here, nice baby pink, and we're going to just blend that out into our brow. Just taking some of Champion and blending it all the way over those edges. And then going back into Fun and Games, we're just going to deepen that up. Just because when you're blending you do lose a little bit of colour. Look at how bright and beautiful that is. Definitely a Snow Fairy colour. And then back into Champion, just a little bit more, just to get rid of any harsh lines that you might have. So getting a clean carving brush and some Vaseline, I'm going to go in and carve my crease. I'm now taking some micellar water and a cotton bud. I'm just going to wipe away all that excess Vaseline. So now with the Plouise Fresh Ink Paint in Re-White, I'm just going to pop some of that onto a palette, and I'm going to use that to cut my crease. Using one of the Plouise cancelled brushes. And then just with a clean fluffy brush, I'm just going to press that all in. And then you just want to blend the sides in where the eyeshadow meets. Going back in with Fun and Games, I'm just going to pop that on the edge there. And then getting another smaller brush, I'm going to go into Rule Breaker, which is the really bright pink. So it's the like really bubblegum. And then I'm going to go into Dominate, which is the really pale peachy shade, and I'm just going to go over that white. And going back into Rule Breaker. So I'm going to make Rule Breaker and Dominate sort of meet with each other and overlap. Just so it gets a really nice blended effect like that. And then I'll go back into Fun and Games and just deepen up that outer edge. So I'm now going to take some glitter glue and I'm going to use the Be Perfect Cosmetics Mainsy pigment, the one with jar. It's like a white shimmery pigment. And I'm going to play, I can't really show you, and that's about as far as I can show you without it falling. And then I'm going to just place that where I did the cut crease. So just placing that glitter glue nice and precise. Small little flat brush and my glitter on. I'm just going to lightly press that on. And then I'm just going to take it to where I start blending the pink into the peach shade, just there. So now I take the Plouise in Feedback Black. I'm just going to pop that onto my palette. And I'm just going to take an eyeliner brush and I'm going to pop that. Then taking my Kylie Cosmetics eyeliner, I'm just going to pop that underneath there and in the corner. So I'm now going to start off by priming my face. I'm going to use the Urban Decay All Nighter. And then I'm going to go in with a bit of NARS Tinted Booster Glow in the shade Moss. So for the under eye, I'm going to go back in with the Plouise Pro Base. Now with the Plouise in Summer Blues, I'm just going to use that, a little bit of that blue underneath my lash line. And then because Conquer the Carve palette hasn't got a blue in, I'm going to go in with a Stack 'em Up palette and I'm going to use the shade Hustle. And then I'm going to apply some mascara. And then I'm going to go in now with the L'Oreal Infallible. So for bronzer, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Bronzer in the shade Caramel. And taking that along my jawline. And then just using a beauty sponge, I'm just going to blend all that in. Now for concealer, I'm going to use the Revolution Conceal and Hydrate. And then I'm just going to lightly set that with the Laura Mercier. Now whilst that's setting, I'm going to go in with the Plouise Brow Beautiful in the shade Mochaccino. And then I'm just going to wipe off all that excess underneath my eye. And then for blush today, I'm going to use the Fenty Cream Blush in Bikini Martini. I'm going to use the MAC Give Me Sun. So I'm just going to spray my face first with the Airbrush setting spray from Charlotte Tilbury. And I'm going to go in with MAC Soft and Gentle. On a little tiny brush, I'm going to just spray it and I'm going to do my brow bone. And in a corner. So I've put some lashes on, and for lipstick today I'm just going to use the lip liner from NYX in Cans. And I'm going to just fill all my lips in. So I'm just going to use the Kylie Jenner lip gloss in High Gloss, just to go over that and give it some sparkle. So focusing, keeping it more in the centre. And that's it. I'll finish off with some setting spray and it's all done. So this is the finished look. I was inspired by the Lush Bath Bomb Snow Fairy Bath Bomb, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give it a like and thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye!